Watch the CUI 38. All right, Detail World. Beautiful day today. We're only going to do one car so I can enjoy the rest of this day with the kids. It's a beautiful day. See the sun shining. Feel like something crawling on me. But other than that, it's warm. The high supposed to be like 60 something today. But tomorrow gonna be a little weird. High just gonna be 40, low gonna be 20 something. Weather crazy. We just had an 81 degree day the other day. But about to get ready to head in the van, head to the first stop, new customer. She said she'd be turning the leaves, so she wanna get the car cleaned up before she turn it in. So we about to go do what we do best, man. But y'all already know how it go, man. We take so much pride in everything we do, man. Like, I'm trying to get y'all to understand that, man. Like, just having pride in what you do and what you want to do, and being just dedicated to it overall, man. Because it's kind of hard to find that ambition in life sometimes, you know, with so much going on. Sometimes you may have tumultuous time. You know, certain events may happen in your life, some death, you know, or losing a job, but just not even feeling motivated, man. So sometimes it's really hard to pick up that energy to get out there and make the right moves and to make the right decisions. Then a lot of us don't even have the right people around us. You know, we may be lacking in resources, we may be lacking in networking skills. You know, a lot of us believe we can do it on our own, and hey man, I can do this and I can do that, but sometimes it do. You know, we gotta go back to that old school phrase, man. It take a village to raise a kid. And a lot of people don't understand. A lot of us still kids, man, even though we may be older, 30, 40, 50, but you're still kid, because it's always gonna be somebody gonna be your elder statement. I know it sounds crazy like a kid, but always gonna have somebody 40 or 50 years older than you. So, you know what I mean? To them, you still, you know, a kid or just whatever, even though you're adult, but they just definitely got way more knowledge and way more skills and things that you may can attain from them. But I ain't gonna keep running my mouth. I'm gonna go ahead and get to this first stop, man. Go ahead and knock it out real quick so I can get back home. We're gonna go to this new event called Main Event today. See how that's going. And y'all already know, man, continue to be great. We're gonna be great together, man. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit it today. We got a few of our stickers, you know, so we can start placing more around the city and stuff like that. But yeah, man, we steady trying to get to 1,000. You know, it's been a grind, slow grind, but the grind been fun. I've been really enjoying it, things of that nature. But like I said, I'm gonna get ready to get out, hit this road, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. Peace. Detail World, what it do. We done made it to the first appointment of the day, and right now we're working on this Infiniti QX80, and a new customer. They actually told me they got my number from another customer, but she said this is a lease car, so she want to return it in. So we're gonna get in here and detail the car. If you see it, we're gonna be doing a very meticulous job. If you see it, it definitely got dirt everywhere in these little small cracks and crevices, so we're gonna make sure we get to the third row seat. One thing I do love about these trucks is that they do have third row seating, just like the truck I own. Third row seating is very valuable when you have kids. But you see, we're gonna have to get in here, make sure we get all into these seats. You see, you got dirt all embedded in the seats. You know, remember I said you see these perforated seats, when you hit, you see all this stuff popping out the seats. So now you gotta get in here, get the seats, get under the seats. You see, we got a little dirt and debris back here, so we can make sure we get all our brushes and utensils to make sure that we get the job done sufficiently. All this dirt and all these cracks and corners. Same with under the seats, you know, wiping down dusty in there, getting on the sides of the seats, and make sure you're wiping down the doors and things of that nature. Even right up here, like I say, you got a lot of makeup on the doors, so you got to make sure that we got to get this makeup up, things of that nature. So we're gonna go ahead and get in here and also see how dirty this seat is compared to the rest of the seats. So we're gonna get in here, give it a good cleaning, give it a good detailing, things of that nature. But y'all already know we stay dedicated over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So on that note, you make sure you stay dedicated to whatever you're doing. And if you're new to the channel, you haven't hit that subscribe button, man, go ahead and hit it. Today is the day to hit it, and if today's not the day, just kind of remember that one of these days you will hit the button. Good, I almost tripped. We already got the match out stuff like that, but I'm about to go ahead and start on this interior because I'm not trying to be out here working all day. And y'all already know, man, I'm gonna do what I gotta do so you can do what you gotta do, or I'm gonna do what I gotta do so you can do what you gotta do. Stay dedicated, and I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail World, what it do. It actually took us 2.5, maybe 3 hours to get this car done, but we got the car looking amazing. Like I said, this is the only car of the day. You remember what it looked like prior to. Got the car looking amazing. Got a little glow on the wheels. Paint look good. Definitely need a waxing. I don't think she want to wax it, but you remember what the interior look like. Interior is pretty dirty in here. No, you got it looking amazing. So she's definitely gonna be enthused with the work. I'm gonna go ahead and let her know we done so we can get paid, head home. We've been out the house since 10 and it's 2 o'clock right now. So it's just on this one car, but y'all already know, man, consistency be great. Remember, consistency beats everything. Hard work beats talent. And remember, if you really want it, you gotta go for it. Don't let nobody set limitations on your dreams. You dream as high as you want, man. Like my mom used to say, man, dream big so you'll land somewhere within those realms. But I'm finna go ahead and head to the crib, man. Do something with these kids on this glorious day. Y'all already know, man, you can't love nobody if you don't love yourself. Remember, self-love is everything. You gotta love yourself before you love anybody else, man. And on that note, like always, continue to be great. We gonna be great together. And remember, I'm gonna do me so you can do you. Or I don't even know what phrase I'm saying right now. I'm just saying something. But I'm gonna catch y'all at the next one, man. Remember, like always, man, be great. And I'm gonna catch you at the next one, y'all. Peace.